Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a really interesting piece of gear that's going to make life a lot easier for anyone looking to connect their mobile device to professional audio equipment. We're talking about the Smithok USB-C to 2 XLR male stereo power amplifier cable. This isn't just any cable. It's a dedicated solution for getting high-quality stereo audio directly from a USB Type-C enabled mobile phone or tablet straight into active speakers, or a power amplifier that uses XLR inputs. Think about it. No more fiddling with multiple adapters, no more worrying about signal degradation from analog conversions. This cable takes the digital audio signal from your phone and converts it directly to a clean, balanced analog signal for your sound system. The design itself is robust. At 6.6 feet, it offers a good amount of reach without being excessively long and cumbersome. The USB-C connector feels solid, ensuring a secure connection to the mobile device. On the other end, the dual XLR male connectors are standard, locking securely into place on your speakers or amplifier. This ensures a stable and reliable connection, crucial for live sound or any situation where you can't afford dropouts. One of the standout features is its ability to deliver stereo audio. Many simpler cables might only offer a mono output, but this Smithok cable ensures that the full stereo image from your phone's audio is preserved and delivered to your sound system. This is particularly important for music playback, presentations with stereo sound effects, or even just enjoying your favorite tracks with proper spatial separation. For mobile DJs, musicians using backing tracks from their phones, or even just someone wanting to play high-quality audio from their device through a home theater system with XLR inputs, this cable is an absolute game-changer. It simplifies the setup process immensely. Instead of needing a separate DAC, an audio interface, and then a bunch of cables, this single cable handles it all. The audio quality it delivers is impressive. By utilizing the USB-C digital output, it bypasses the often inferior digital-to-analog converters found in the phone's headphone jack, if it even has one. This results in a cleaner, more faithful reproduction of the audio, with less noise and better dynamic range. It truly elevates the sound experience when connecting a mobile device to professional-grade audio equipment. In essence, the Smithok USB-C to 2 XLR male stereo power amplifier cable is a highly practical and effective tool for anyone serious about their mobile audio connectivity. It offers a direct, high-quality and stereo solution for bridging the gap between your USB-C device and professional XLR audio inputs. It's a testament to how far mobile audio has come, providing a seamless and superior listening or performance experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.